I'm gonna let the tires cool off a little bit. I feel like they're a little too hot because it's like spinning out super easy. Nice. Hopefully I didn't fuck anything up.
Well, luckily I lit off on the good part. I think we're alright. I think we're good. I didn't hear a loud bang, so I think we're alright. Oh man. Jeez, that was fun. Honestly, man, this is the most fun I've had in so long. Not even gonna lie to you guys. To be honest, I'm pretty proud of myself. First day at the track, first day ever drifting. I actually was able to link like 3 turns. I didn't even think I was gonna do as good as I did. Jesse's doing good too. And it's just not even set up for drift. Corn boys. Whew. Well guys, honestly, I gotta say today was pretty successful. Definitely a dope ass day, man. Nobody was here, we had the track to ourselves. Nobody broke anything. I think my car is good. I think I didn't have, see, if I would have had the bumper on it, gas away, I would have definitely destroyed that shit. But no bumper, boys. It worked out. Definitely needs a wash. Everything looks fine under, just a little dusty. But she did super well, man. No issues whatsoever. And bro, look, I still got tired to drive home. I didn't even have to swap him out. Look at that. We good. We good. Like, I think I can go home, come back next week, and still be on the same tires. So, shout out to the new pavement. If we would have had the old pavement, the tires would definitely have been gone, so. Successful day, man. Well guys, that is a blessing. Drove the drift car to the track, driving home, no problems. HR life, man. For the young corn. Man, what a blast today. This shit was so much fun. Can't wait to go back. What the hell is this? What are you? It's a carbon bug. That is gonna be that, man. The car made it home. She drove flawless, not one single issue. Shout out to my tuner Saul. Shout out to the boys over at Society for doing all my bash bars. My guy Vic, Best Tire, for doing the alignment. The car honestly felt great. Like, I went in there, I didn't even check my tire pressure or nothing. I just sent it, like, we just wanted to get the feel of it. I feel like I was catching on pretty quick. Obviously, I'm no pro yet. From the time I first got on the track to my last few runs on the track, I think I improved a lot for it being my first day. I think I was doing pretty well. Appreciate you guys for tuning in, man. I know you guys been waiting for the drift content, so stay tuned, man. I'm definitely gonna be going back soon. That was a blast, man. I had so much fun. So, yep, I'm gonna go in here and take a shower because I feel like a dirty dog. And drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let's get that 300K. Catch you guys in the next video.